Hello everyone, welcome back to the Chung Social Tools channel. In this video, I will show you how to automatically post products for sale on Facebook Marketplace in the miscellaneous category. Alright, this is my bot. First, in order to post products on Facebook Marketplace, you need accounts that can be used to list items for sale. Here, I have already created a folder that contains several accounts and I named it Marketplace. These accounts are dedicated to posting products for sale. After you log into these accounts, the bot will automatically capture the cookies. Then I will attach proxies to them to simulate different IP addresses and locations. By doing this, when you post products for sale, your listings can reach people in different locations. Previously, I already made videos explaining how to add accounts. To log in, you just need to select the accounts and click Login. This section here is the Account Management panel. In order to post on Marketplace with these secondary accounts, the most important requirement is that the accounts must be able to access Marketplace. If you cannot open the Marketplace tab, the bot will not be able to post products automatically. As you can see, these accounts can access Marketplace normally, and I can post items on the Marketplace. Now I will close the Chrome tabs of these accounts. You just need to click here, and all these account tabs will be closed automatically. Next, I will create product content for posting. Go to the Content Management tab. Here, I have already prepared several product posts for Marketplace. Let's open one of them. This is the folder used to store content. And this is the post type. For Marketplace posts, I will select this option. This is the title, which is only displayed inside the software. Next are some attribute fields. This is the listing type. Here is the currency and price, and here I will select the category Miscellaneous Mixed Items. There are also many other categories available here that you can choose depending on your product niche. However, I find that the Miscellaneous category is the most commonly used. Below this section, you will enter the content and upload images. Click Upload Image/Video, then choose Images from your computer. After selecting the images, you can preview them like this. Finally, click Save. You can also duplicate this content so you don't need to set it up again from the beginning. You can also move it to another folder if needed. Now I will move the remaining posts to the Miscellaneous category. To add new content, click Add Post. Select the folder where you want to store the content. Choose the post type. Enter the title. Select the listing type, Products for Sale. You can adjust this option depending on your needs. Choose the currency. Then select the category Miscellaneous below. Choose the item condition. Then enter the product description in the Content section. After finishing the setup like this, the content will be saved in the Content Management section. Later, you can reuse it very easily. You can also import products in bulk using an Excel file. A template is already provided here. You just need to fill in the information according to the template. For example, if you have 100 products, you can import them all at once. Alright, after preparing the product content, go to the Post Function tab. Here you will see the feature Auto Post Marketplace. Open this tab and select the account folder that you want to use for posting on Marketplace. Here I will select these 25 accounts. Next, I will configure the threads. Threads represent the number of accounts that will run simultaneously to post listings. I will set it to 13 accounts. When the first 13 accounts finish posting, the bot will automatically move to the remaining accounts until all accounts are completed. On this side, you can set the delay time between each post. Below is the loop setting, which allows the bot to repeat posting after a certain time once the posts are completed successfully. If you want to continuously push your listings, you can enable this loop option. Next, I will choose the shared content configuration for these accounts. And I will select this Marketplace content folder. Each account will automatically pick one of the posts in this folder to publish. You can choose to post in order or randomly.
This field controls how many posts each account will publish. You can also choose to hide the post from friends or list the item in groups. Just enter the group UID here. For now, I will demonstrate a basic marketplace posting. If you want to assign specific products to specific accounts, you can choose the custom configuration option. I will create a separate detailed tutorial about that in another video. Now I will click Start. After clicking Start, the first 13 accounts will automatically log in.
If you have very few pieces of content, you should enable the option Allow Duplicate Content. Since I only have 6 posts, only the first 6 accounts would be able to post. The remaining accounts would not have any content available. So I will allow the accounts to reuse the same content. Now I will start again. The bot will run in the background and display the actions of each account in the current action column. You can see that it is currently uploading images. Then it will fill in the content. Once the bot finishes, the result will appear here. If the post is successful, you will see the number 1 displayed here. This section also shows the total number of successful posts and errors. Now I will wait until all accounts finish posting. Alright, the product listings have now been posted on 25 accounts to Facebook Marketplace. You can also check the posting history in this tab. Here you can see the time, status, and the post URL. You just need to copy this link and open it on Facebook. It seems that these posts still need some time to be reviewed, so they are not visible yet. Now I will open the account to check whether the product has been posted on Marketplace. Here you can see the notification that the listing has been posted successfully, but it is currently pending review. All images and content are fully uploaded. These posts are distributed randomly across the accounts because I enabled the random mode earlier. And that's the tutorial on how you can automatically post products to Facebook Marketplace in the miscellaneous category. If you are interested in these automation tools, feel free to contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. See you in the next videos. Bye-bye.